Hey lovelies, if you guys want to see this install, stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and you guys are tuned in to watching me slay my lace closure part 2, and I'm so excited to show you guys. So this is my braid down, guys. It looks messy, but the only reason why I have it like this is because I'm going to install my hair into a middle part. So I did 2 parts because this wig will actually be a side part. Boom, there we go. So right now I'm just, showing y'all it's not gonna be like that because we don't look crazy. So right now I'm just showing you guys the Eco Styling gel that I'm using, and I'm going to slick down my baby hairs because I'm actually going to apply Ghost Bond glue, and I don't want it to snag on my baby hairs because us girls need our baby hairs, and we can't let this glue affect it. So we gotta gel it down and put it away, So I'm using the 91% alcohol to clean whatever dirt or oils that I have, and plus I have makeup on, and it's not gonna stick properly if you have makeup on. So we're just gonna clean that away. So I'm measuring where I should put my glue. So I'm going to actually use 2 layers of the Ghost Bond because I don't want to put too much glue, because I'm actually going to take this wig off in like a day or 2, and it's no point of actually applying 3 because it's not going to even stay that long, if you guys feel me. But yeah, I'm applying some glue. We're going to let that apply. We're going to let the first layer dry afterwards, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to actually put my second layer. Yes, dance it away, girl. Yes. All right, so this is my second glue that I'm putting on right now, and we're gonna let that dry too, and we gonna dance it away again. I don't know what I was listening to, but it must have been something good. Whoa. Yes, girl. Yes. So alright guys, so right now my second layer is dry, and I'm checking to see if it's ready for the lace to go on it, and it is. So we're gonna stick that lace right onto the Ghost Bond glue that I applied, and we're going to just dab that in, make sure it's set and ready to go so my wig don't go flying off everywhere. And so also so it can have that natural effect, because we don't want our laces to go everywhere, y'all. So I'm going to apply my mousse, and I'm going to basically style my baby hairs. I like using this mousse because it works for me. I feel like this mousse works for me, and I like using Got to Be spray on it so it can stay for the whole day. I find that amazing, guys. I find it so amazing. And I'm actually going to put mousse on that top part to make it look like it's pulling from the roof, and the roof. Wow, guys, the roof. Anyways, I want it to have that effect that it's pulling from the roots of the closure, so it can have that natural effect, like it's my hair. It is my hair, but yeah. Anyways, guys. So I'm going to spray some Got to Be spray on the side of my hair because I want to actually put away that side, and I'm going to actually use this wrapping tape to basically dry and keep in place my lace and my baby hairs to make it look natural, guys. You want your hair to look as natural as possible. You don't want it to look like it's, I don't even know, like ratchet, but you want to make sure it looks natural. So right now I'm going to put on this wrapping tape, and I'm actually going to put on 2 because I don't know, when I put on 1 it seems like, I don't know, it don't have that same effect for me. So I put on 2, and I make sure I get my blow dryer and I blow dry it off. But yeah, that is my second wrapping tape. I don't know why, but it took me forever. But right now I'm going in with my hot comb, and I'm just hot combing that front part like I was talking about. I want to make sure like it's coming from the roots, like it has that pull-in effect. And now we are going in with the blow dryer, guys. We're gonna go in with the blow dryer, look cute, cutesy faces, and we're gonna take the wrapping tape off. So when the hair is dry, you want to make sure that it's dry, not like this, because it was still kind of sticky. It should come off, you know, a little bit easier, but you know, I was impatient. But we are just gonna keep styling this hair because it's still not done. It's not to my liking yet. So I am going in with my powder, and I am just blending my hair, my lace, with my natural skin color. Well, if Lord, I cannot talk, oh my goodness. Anyways, so I'm gonna go in with my spray bottle with just cold water, and I'm just going to just spray down my hair and try to give it that wet look so it won't look as puffy, and so when it actually dries it doesn't, like, you know, I don't have a big puff on my head. But I'm just gonna spray that down and brush it out with my little brush and kind of fix it to my liking, to be honest with you. And I'm just gonna keep on spraying, and I'm gonna go in with my Got2b spray and spray it so when it does dry it can like keep the curl patterns, because usually if I don't do this process my curls kind of look a little crazy. But just to keep that intact so when it dries I don't have a big puff on my head. So now I'm just gonna use these clips that I bought from the beauty supply store. These clips were so cute. I think they were like $2, to be honest with you, and I just had to get them. They were so cute to me, so I just got them. So now I'm just clipping them on the side of where my side part is at, and just clipping them to my liking, because this is cute. This is cute. I was so feeling these clips, I'm not gonna lie to you guys at all. Even when I did it as a sew-in, I was feeling this hairstyle, and I just had to make it in the wig because, you know, us girls, we love to take our wigs, and you can't lie about that. We love taking off our wigs, especially when we want to go to sleep. Anyways, lovelies, I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.